So the only reason the second part of the series is not coming out yet is because I can only find these cats, Shadow, Willow Pelt, and someone else I was gonna use. So I'm gonna try to find more, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna do a cat video today, and possibly I'll try to make the rest of that drawing video. Hi, buddy. This is Fluffy. He's super fluffy. Oh, he's so sweet. He loves getting petted. Say hi, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, Fluffy. There's my Fluffy. Our outdoor cat refuses to go inside unless we're taking him there for food. On a little fence, huh? Yeah. Bye, Fluffy. Hi. That's just Snowy. Elsa! Oh, little Snow Queen, yeah. Elsa, that's my girl. She's super duper fluffy. She's like the fluffiest of the fluffy. Look at that tail. Oh, look at you. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. That's it. Oh. Huh. Fluffy. Awesome. Dean. Look at that. Hi. Oreo. He's like, do you have food for me? Do you have food for me? Do you have food? Chunky monkey. Huh? Do you have food for me? Meow, 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 meow. Sometimes this little Oreo sticks his head in the food bag. And then we look like, Oreo. Oreo. Some other cats need to eat too, you know. Oh, just a bowl. That's my Oreo. That's it. That's it. Here's an Oreo. My little chunky monkey. Look at him. He's adorable. You have a little water drop on you. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Let me see. Look at it. Look at that. A sweet little calm kitty named Muff Muff. Look. That's my muffin. This is Muffin. And Oreo's trying to come in. Apparently, Oreo. Oh, my Oreo. Yeah. It's a good kitty. Dean. This is Dean again. You killed it. I think I'm the only one that makes my cats Christmas presents and stocking stuffers. I love them so much. This is one of Dean's presents. Okay, try to jump. Jump, jump, jump. Can you get it? Can you jump? Whoa! You killed it! This was not the first time this happened. You killed it, Dean. You killed it. Oh, Dean. What have you done? Okay, you gotta chase your tail. Can you go around? Can you go around? Can you go around? Nope. Nope, he doesn't want to go around. Okay, ready? 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 Oh, nope. This is adorable. Fluff straws. Bye, fluff straws. Whoa, look at that catwalk. Hmm? Okay, ready, Dean? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, Dean. Jump to the camera. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Watching from afar. Okay. I was hoping I would not do a little whatever I'm doing here at the end of the video and only do it at the start, but I am standing. So I looked under my bed. I found that, and I also found these, which is the ones I care about. Man, like I found those too, but so the ones that I mostly care about is Shadow. I found. I already had that one. Willow Pelt, Firestone, Name Unknown, I guess Dorito Paw, and then the Prisoner, and then that one I already had. So I found those guys. So where is he? Okay, there. I'm looking through the camera to make sure I get it. So I was really hoping to find Sunny and the boss, because the boss I really need to find. But I think I'm gonna switch the boss. I think this guy's gonna be Sunny now if I can't find the real original Sunny. And maybe like this can be the boss, because the boss is really important in the series. Really important. So I don't know where the boss is. Come on, Herring, stay on, stay on! Anyway, bye for now.